Welcome to ANR Solver question 3. Sushila, Ravi, and Talika each have a bag of balls. Each of the bags contain 10 red balls and 8 blue balls. Sushila takes one ball at random from her bag. Find the probability that she takes a red ball. So, there are a total of 10 red balls and there are a total of 18 balls in total. So the probability that she will pick one red ball is 10 divided by 18. So we can simplify this further by dividing both the numerator and denominator by 2. Therefore, our final answer for part A would be 5 by 9. Now let's move on to part B. Ravi takes two balls at random from his bag without replacement. Find the probability that one ball is red and one ball is blue. So, the probability that a ball is red is again 10 by 18 as we found in part A. 10 by 18. Now it's two balls, so and that's why I'm multiplying. Because they're asking one red ball and one blue ball. So a probability for a blue ball would be 8. Now instead of a total number of balls of 18, there would be 17 because they are telling us that they don't replace the balls. So this would be the probability of picking a red ball first. Now there are two scenarios. You can pick a blue ball first as well. Therefore, you can simply do 2 multiplied by this scenario, because you can pick a blue ball first as well and then a red ball second, any of the two scenarios, which will have the same probability. Therefore, you can do 2 multiplied by one of the scenarios. So 10 divided by 18, which is 5 by 9, multiplied by 8 divided by 17. So the total will give us 40 divided by 153 multiplied by 2, which will give us 80 divided by 153. Therefore, making this the final answer for part B, 80 divided by 153. Now let's move on to part C. Talika takes 3 balls at random from her bag without replacement. Calculate the probability that the 3 balls are the same color. So, without replacement, 3 balls is same color. So 10 would be for the red ball. So 10 divided by 18 for the first pick, multiplied by 9 divided by 17 for the second pick, because one red ball is removed now. So from the total, one ball will be minused, and from the red balls, one will be minused. So 9 divided by 17 multiplied by 8 divided by 16, because now 2 balls are taken out. Therefore 8 divided by 16. Now plus, since there are two scenarios, there can be Talika can pick 3 red balls or 3 blue balls. So since the or, that's why we plus or we add both the scenarios. So for blue balls, there are 8 blue balls out of 18. So for the first pick, this will be the probability multiplied by, in the second pick, one blue ball isn't there because it isn't replaced. So 7 divided by 17 multiplied by 6 divided by 16, because now 2 blue balls are taken out. Therefore now we just have to simplify. So we can cancel the 9 and the 18, because 9 2s are 18, and the 2 and the 5, because 5 2s are 10. So 5 multiplied by 8 divided by 17 multiplied by 16 would give us, my bad, 1 second, 17 multiplied by 16, 40 divided by, so 5 by 34, because you can cancel the 8 and the 16 as well, because 8 2s are 16. Now let's move on to this. 6 and 18 can get cancelled because 6 3s are 18, and again 8 and 16 can get cancelled because 8 2s are 16. So plus 7 divided by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 17, so 102. Therefore 7 divided by 102 plus 5 divided by 34, you would get your final answer as 11 by 51. You can do this mentally, or you can directly put this in your calculator and get a final answer. Therefore this is your final answer for part C.